Kom op, kom op, kom op, kom op. Kom op, kom op. Beautiful people of South Africa, of the Republic of South Africa. Laat julle opkom, laat julle opkom, laat julle opkom. It's going to be a quick live. It's a very important live, but it's a quick live. Here we go. I see you joining in your hundreds, in your tens of hundreds. I see us joining. I see us joining. Come up, come up, come up. I see we are tussen. People are getting tussen very, very quickly. I see the live is also being shared. Thank you very much for everyone that's sharing it. It's going to be quick. It's going to be important. It's going to be massive. It's going to be massive. Very, very important. Very, very quick. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come up, come up, come up, come up. Mense is 'n belangrike ding. It's an important thing. Ons is binne Merton Swarts. Julieta Lucas. How many kgs? I think it's 6 at this point. 6 kgs. Sy's daarom hier uit. Ons kry hom hier uit. Kim Bekes, nice to see you also. We are busy. Almal is besig. Yes, ons is bedrywig, maar ons is daarom nie hardlywig nie. Dumelang, dumelang, dumelang. Ageng wana Yesu. Odds Jackson, good morning, good morning. Roger Whittaker, good morning, good morning. Ek sien Menenberg as binne. Ek sien Menenberg as tussen. Ons is hier, good morning, good morning, good morning. Karen, good morning. Petersha, good morning, good morning. Môre, môre, môre aan al die mooi mense van ons land. Môre Natasha. Good morning Bernadette. Good morning, good morning. I see the numbers are climbing, the numbers are climbing. We're into the hundreds. Good morning, good morning, good morning Claudia. Granville, good morning. Merton Swarts, I still see you in the live. Hulle sê wie kyk, ek ken ook nie wie kyk. Mary Ann Witboy, good morning. Lance Valenza, good morning, good morning. Lamarco Mitchell, good morning, good morning. Kom op, kom op, kom op. Is amper hy tyd, is 'n belangrike tyd. Ons maak gou die keel skoon. Ons maak gou die keel skoon. Gaan die hele kaart drink. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning. Jan, I don't know what Sebastian is speaking of. I don't know what Sebastian is speaking of, where he's going. We don't know what he means. We don't know what he says. All I'm saying is ignore, stay focused, stay focused. Tuning in from Bangkok all the way in Thailand. Eersel Bank is tussen. Athlone is tussen. I see people are coming in. Good morning, Kaita Robertson. Good morning, Pumlani. Môre, môre, môre aan al die mooi mense. 120 days is going very tops. Yes, it is. But it's the eating thing that's the challenge, man. That's the thing. It's the challenge. It's van eet. En ons like eet. Daarom kos, is nie geld nie. Morning, morning, Eunice. Lindsay Naidu. What is so important? You are going to see Johannes Bosman. Tussen soos 'n gedropte nissen. Môre Chantel Bartman. Môre, môre Sarah Dido. Morning, morning, morning. It's a very early morning live. I know we used to lives at 9 o'clock. We used to lives at 10 o'clock. Those times. Byron Brentjes, welcome, welcome. Mana, good morning, good morning. Ek lyk al soos 'n good morning. Moving from Germany right now, but live in Durban. Good morning, good morning. Lara Connolly, good morning. Right. I think I'm going to start. And I want to say this. You know, it's why I say international travel is important. It's because you encounter who you are and what you are outside of what you know. You find definitions of what you are. You find your characteristics. You find the real version of yourself. You find out what it is that you truly stand for, what it is that your values are. They reflect to you when you are in places that you are not common with, that you don't know. And the past month, in fact, many of the months prior to this, have spoken to finding out what is it that gets me going in the morning? What is it that wakes me up? What is it that brings me to politics? And this is the thing. And I think that it is the thing of every single South African born after 1994, and many South Africans born before that, is that we are taught that this country is all we have, that we are all we have, regardless of the color of our skin, that it is only us that are able to solve the problems that we have, that we only have each other to solve these problems. And that is something that we can never take for granted, that we have each other, regardless of the color of our skin. On top of that, it comes back to why we are here in the first place. We are here to beat corruption wherever it shows its hand or its face. We are here to protect the constitution of this country, no matter what, and protect those values, because it is those values that come from the constitution that are South African values. Those are the values that show us who and what we are. And when I look at my political career, I have to ask myself, is the political career that I'm living in line with the values that I was raised with? Is it in line with the values that are in our constitution? Is it in line with what it is that I'm currently doing? And after months and months of reckoning, I think it is very, very important that I finally speak about what those things are. And it also speaks to what it is that we want to see our politics look like. Do we want to see our politics filled with cadre deployment? Do we want to see the Zuma politics continue in another fashion? Do we want to see politics where friends are awarded certain things? Do we want to see politics where loyalists and people who are loyal to the leader get support, get put into positions? I don't think so. I think that the politics of our country, as defined by our constitution and as defined by our values, should be politics where you are able to raise your own hand and give yourself a shot in the name of your people. That the blessing to lead your people and to stand up for your people doesn't just come from one source, that it comes from within. And that is the politics of tomorrow. That is the politics of the future, where everybody holds hands, where it is not just one group, where it is not just flowing from one area, but it is politics that is of the heart, not just politics that is of slogans, because it is the politics of the heart that is going to change this country. And I think there is a way to change this country. I think that there is a home and a vehicle that can be driven to change this country and to see a South Africa that we all believe in. The South Africa that is the dream of those who fought for the democracy that we have today. I think that that is possible. But before that, I finished this water. Before that, I have to get myself some water. So hold on just so for 2 seconds. We are home! Finally! We are home. We are home. So, the first person that I want to speak on this momentous occasion is the provincial leader of the DA in the Western Cape, Tasha Simmers. What have you got to say?
Welkom thuis, Liam.
Baie
Kom ons gaan praat toe. Ons allemaal maak keuses vir onsself, vir ons familie, vir onze gemeenskap, maar wat die belangrijkste ding is, hartbelangrijk vir die pad vorentoe. So kom pad toe. Jy het 'n wyse besluit gemaak. Welkom thuis.
Baie dankie.
Come on, brother. Liam, I want to say to you, welcome home, buddy. It is amazing to have you back in the DA. Let me say that it would be absolute hypocrisy of us if we expected no one to ever make a mistake in life. Every one of us was in our 20s once, and that's the point of your 20s, man. You've got to learn, you've got to grow, you've got to figure out who you really are. And I remember when you left the DA,
Yeah.
Helen said something profound. She said that we're not going to hate on Liam. He is a talented young man who's made a mistake and he's going to figure it out. And Helen was, as very often, absolutely right. Because you are a talented young man. You have figured out that you made a mistake. And so much of bravery in life is about figuring that out and being prepared to say so. So I say well done to you. Congratulations to you. It's awesome to have you home. And I want to say to everyone in the DA, this is not about me or about Liam or about Tertius or about everyone who's here. It is bigger than all of us. What we are trying to build in South Africa is a party that brings all people who are passionate about making our country succeed together at the center. Who is passionate about integrity in our politics, about ethics in our politics, who wants to see accountability, who doesn't believe in parties run by dictators, who believes in parties run by proper systems, by proper internal democracy. That is what we are trying to build. And it's going to take a time to build that. And we're going to be welcoming many, many others. Yeah. And let me say, many others of your former colleagues from the PA are already reaching out to me. They have been, because we know what's happening there. And I want to say to you, we're happy to talk to all of you. Reach out. You know where home is.
Yes.
Julle ken waar die huis is, but before you get home, kom pad toe. That is where you're gonna find your house. South Africa, thank you so much for the love, thank you so much for the support, and I can't wait to see more and more people come to the DA so that we can officially become the largest party in the Republic of South Africa. The DA, and here's the thing, the DA is the only party that is serious about defeating the ANC. So if you don't want an ANC government, and if you don't want to be governed by the friends of the ANC, then you know where your political home is. Thank you very much. We'll see you.